Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make perfect pumpkin pie. First, prepare your pie crust. You can use a store-bought 9-inch crust or make one from scratch. Blind baking is crucial. Pre-bake the crust at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. This step prevents a soggy bottom, ensuring a crisp foundation for your delicious pie. Let the crust cool completely before moving on to the next step. Now, let's create that rich, creamy pumpkin filling. In a large bowl, whisk together 15 ounces of pumpkin puree, 1 cup of heavy cream, and 3 large eggs until smooth. Next, incorporate 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Don't forget 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and a small pinch of ground cloves for that classic flavor. With your filling ready, carefully pour it into the cooled, blind-baked pie crust. Place the pie in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for the initial 15 minutes. Then, reduce the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for another 40 to 50 minutes. The pie is perfectly baked when a knife inserted about 1 inch from the center comes out clean. Once baked, let your pumpkin pie cool completely on a wire rack for at least 2 hours. This crucial step allows the filling to set properly. For the best texture and flavor, refrigerate the pie for a minimum of 3 hours or even overnight before slicing into generous portions. Serve with a dollop of whipped cream and enjoy your perfect homemade pumpkin pie. And hey, if you're looking for ways to make meal prep easier, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.